Dr. Srinivas, can you briefly summarize the role of proton therapy in sarcomas?
So, proton therapy is one of the many modalities available for sarcomas. It is definitely not a panacea, especially because it is available only in few places. It is still a bit expensive compared to the conventional radiation techniques. It is imperative to choose which patients should be subjected to this new treatment. And it is our responsibility as physicians, all of us, to educate the patients, and that is the whole purpose of this support group meeting. And in sarcomas, by and large, is a favored indication for proton therapy, because as everybody mentioned, the dose required to sterilize sarcomas, whether it is in a post-operative setting or in a definitive setting, the dose required is relatively large compared to other tumors. And it is very important to make sure that this dose is delivered safely without causing long-term effects on the body. Most of these sarcomas are affected in patients who are younger. And that is primarily the reason why proton therapy is extremely beneficial. Having said that, a large majority of sarcomas do benefit for proton therapy. Having said that, there is not, you cannot generalize it. In this day and age, you must never generalize anything. It has to be individualized. It has to be a decision which is taken with the patient in the center of the treatment decision, with the surgeon, radiation oncologist, radiologist, pathologist, everybody in place. We haven't discussed the impact of metal artifacts on proton therapy dose distribution, but that is the reason why surgeon, before putting in a lot of heavy metals, must also discuss the other options he could offer to the patient, especially in these spinal chordomas, because the metal brings in a lot of uncertainty in proton dose. And sometimes if it is too much, we would avoid using proton therapy despite having a significant dosimetric benefit. Of course, we have ways and means to overcome those uncertainties because of these heavy metals. But despite that, this is the reason why I'm mentioning this, is to emphasize that there is a team effort which is required in managing sarcomas, especially when it comes to proton therapy. And that is all I wanted to say.